We've got 2. We love it. What's up, guys? I'm going like pretty girl with another video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over everything. What? Teash. Okay. All right, so listen up. Today we're just doing, this is already the 8th of December. So we're wrapping my cabinets, and I finally have white cabinets because y'all know at my last place it was dark and I wanted something to lighten up the mood. Also, I just told you guys yesterday that my couch is not supposed to be coming until like the 12th to the 16th. It said it's coming tomorrow on the 8th. I do believe they're lying. I don't think, matter of fact, today, I don't believe it's coming because on the delivery, on the information thing, it's still at payment has been confirmed. It hasn't been packaged, it hasn't been sent out, and now it's definitely not out for delivery, so I can't track anything. It's still in the warehouse. But we'll see if it's tomorrow, then you guys get another video. Wow! More than 2 in 1 month. I'm back. Let's get into it. I also wanted to add some presents, well, some box underneath the tree, wrap it so that it seems like there are presents underneath the tree.
I don't even feel like I'm supposed to check.
Let me do one. What did she say? Florence, what's this?
Holiday bonding.
Oh my god. That's what I'm like, what is Alright, you guys, so we have some technical difficulties. First of all, this thing, it looks fine on camera, but it's malfunctioning in real life. We put some Gorilla Glue on it. I went and got a hot glue gun though. And last night, we cut these to the long parts that you can see behind us. But the short part, Miss Girl cut them too short, so it wasn't gonna work at all. So we went back to the store, we got the same thing. Now we're gonna be able to finish it. And we got 2 more of this thing. So we got 4 of these because they're gonna go on the small middle parts. And we got a full red one, but the plaid one we're gonna put in the middle as well. Trying to see what it's gonna turn out to be. So that's what we're doing next now, and then we can wrap the presents and put them under the tree. Also, we got this garland thing. It's not actually, it's long enough to go up top of here, but we didn't get a second one. The plan was to put it in front of the TV on the TV stand, and it has lights on it. So we'll see, because I actually like this. So maybe another day I'll have to go back and get another one and put it up top. Maybe, I don't know. This is the first year I'm really being festive, honestly. We're gonna just measure them out and get 1, alright, so no, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 more. 8, because we already have 1 right here. I'm gonna let these people know what I've been up to. Here we are. Let's go. Yeah. Not glue gun time. Oh, you can press my body now. Oh.
Caroling one seems to hear words of this year from everywhere, feeling the air. Oh, how raising the sound, rolling the bell, telling the tale, giving all people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. Love yourself, a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
so you can see behind me, that's what it's looking like right now. I just cut this so that we can almost kind of hide this. Oh, do you like it? We sprayed it with some white snow. Festive. I'm gonna insert it underneath here. This is what I was thinking. And then we super glue it. See that? So nobody's gonna see it. Except you guys know my little secret.
That's really smart.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like up here. It's time. We've got 2.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Since we've no place to.
All right, so we're adding super glue because if we put the bows on the fridge, it's just gonna look like this, right? So we're adding super glue right like this.
You go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, you guys, it's done. You wanna see? You wanna see it? Okay, you don't got big, you don't got big. I'm gonna show you guys. I love how the fridge looks. Just wrap her up and send her off. That was not my idea, that was Flo's. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Do you love it? Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to everything. Teash. No, I like that, I like that. Ah. Until next time, peace.